Welcome back to another Frosting Friday here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Today I'm going to show you guys how to decorate some cupcakes using two different piping tips. We're going to use the 4B piping tip and we're going to use the 1M, but we're going to use the 1M tip in two different ways today. Piping buttercream is so versatile. You can use the same tip, but you can also make different designs and different techniques to make different textures on your cake and cupcakes. So let's frost these cupcakes. We're gonna make them look really pretty and elegant today. And it's gonna look like you guys worked on them for hours and hours. You guys are gonna be surprised how easy it is. Let's get started.
To start out with our cupcake today, we're gonna pipe. I put pink with our 1M tip, and we're gonna pipe a rosette. I've got my 1M tip again. Instead of a rosette this time, we are going to do a little squiggle with our buttercream. Finish off these cupcakes, we're using the 4B tip. With my white frosting, we're just going to do some dabs of frosting. You can see how easy and fast and how cute they look, but it was super easy. Now you can just add sprinkles or whatever kind of things you want to touch up and finish off these cupcakes. There you have it. Simple, easy, cute cupcakes.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today here on Frosting Friday at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. We made these super elegant, beautiful cupcakes. And as you can see, all you need is a few different piping tips, some piping bags, obviously your buttercream and cupcakes, and you guys can create your own magic in your own kitchen. Thanks so much for following along with me here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, push that button, follow me on Instagram at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes for more fun, and have a great day, guys.